Oh man, I'm getting pushed. This is crazy.
Get in here, Chuck.
Why?
Because it's gonna blow out my garage door.
Dad, this is cool, man. Come on.
Get in here.
All right. She's a hurricane. What are you worried about? Huh?
I want to go on the porch and see what it looks like.
It's just a hurricane. What are you worried about? You act like we ain't never been through one. And I'm sure it's all messed up back there by the pool.
Give me the flash.
What is it? Just. I know.
I can't tell. It doesn't look to me like it's a residential building.
100 Central in St.
Don't open the door.
You said you wanted to go out. You said you were gonna go out on the porch.
Luxury high-rise condos and along Central Avenue right now.
What do you mean? You said you wanted to go out on the porch, so I was.
This porch.
Oh, this porch. All right, let's see. Whoa. Go out there, Dad. We got screens protecting us. What do you see?
Nothing.
Open the door.
No. Uh-oh. Why is that tree over here?
Oh, it's just the branches. It's being blown. It's not far off.
It's still upright.
Say what?
That tree's still upright. Yeah, I guess it is.
It is. I was out there standing by the cars looking at it. It's just getting branches blown off. It's not bad. Whoa, what was that? Man, this is crazy, man. What you think?
Trying not.
Trying not to. Yeah, branches all over. Point the light at the branches. I can't really see them that well.
See you in the morning.
Wow. This is nuts. It really don't seem that bad, though. I mean, nothing's really happened.